What is up, trappers? Check it out, man. We are out here at the South Bend Century Center for the South Bend Auto Show. Oh man, you guys got a sneak peek. I am out here with Dedication Car Club. My crew will be here. They're loading up. I'm not sure if they're in the building yet or not. I know Josh Turner is here, and so is Chuck Vanderwilly with Blaze. Guys, so we're going to check them all out. We'll get a sneak peek of what's going on here today. But guys, we're going to roll inside just like we did last year with Dedication Car Club. We're going to flip this camera around here in just a few minutes and check these cars out. Check it out. Dinero, Sucio, we seen him a couple weeks ago up in Chicago at World of Wheels, and he won Best 70s Lowrider. So another shout out to him. Congratulations. Hopefully he pulls off some more this weekend, and these guys with him do also. Big shout out to Dedication Car Club. This is awesome, guys. Thanks for bringing me with you. I love it, man. Check it out back here. Damn, guys, I think Dedication needs its own playlist on Trap My Ride. So all these videos, we can put them up. You can see all the Dedication Car Club lowriders on one playlist, and you can watch them all, guys. The shorts, the long forms, everything. But guys, we're gonna flip this around and we're gonna get to it. Check this out. Dinero Sucio out here, man. Check him out. Andreas brought him out. Guys, I'm sorry about the wind. There's nothing I can do about it outside. Check him out. Got the chevygang up here. Ooh, you know he looking good. Man, oh man. Check him out. Got the inside. Check him out. That hair looks good. Looks good. I like it. I'm digging it, man. And that white panels. Check him out. That's a cut from the movie scene, I think. Check him out. And then you know he got the top done up here. Yeah, looks good, looks good. And you know he got the trunk done up inside. Check him out. Got the name right here with the Von Dutch. Ooh, speaking of Von Dutch, he started with the Rat Fiend guy, man. I can't think of his name, but the guy had done these hand painted pinstripes, Von Dutch. They started together, man. I was talking to somebody about that the other day, but man, look at it. Looking good, looking good. But check him out right here. Yeah. What year Mercury is this? Do you know?
What year is it, bro?
Ooh, looks good. We got some vehicles out here on the other side, guys, so we can go over on this side. Yeah. I think it's like a 40 something. Somebody have to get in the comments and let me know what year this is, because I'm not really sure. Man, it looks good. You got the chrome with the side pipes. You see him? And check him out inside. Inside clean, clean. You see him up there? Look at the wheel in the dash. Ooh, yeah. Listen to it run, guys. Man, it sounds good. It sounds real good. Check him out. He got the lights up here. Got the visor. And look at this hood ornament, man. You guys don't see this no more. Ooh, damn. And it's clean. Check him out. He got the eyelids. Everything, man. This car is set right. Looking good. Dedication out here representing. Look, and he got his plaque in the back, so we gotta get his plaque. Gotta get his plaque. You already know. Check him out. Dedication. You see him. You see him. Woo. Out here. And then Lido, he brought this thing, man, and this thing just popping, man. Popping. Them golds on it. I think it's what, a 53 or 54, something like that. Damn. He looks so good, guys, and I apologize again for the wind. Dedication out here deep, guys. Make sure you get out here and vote for him. He got the bed done up. Check him out. He got the duals down here too. You see him? Yeah. Damn, wood grain look good back here. Woo, Nissan don't sound bad. Don't tell nobody I said that. Yeah, check him out.
Baby.
Yeah, dedication.
Baby.
Yeah,
No.
you've already know.
Dedication. Hey, dedication all day, man.
But you know it. Check them out, guys. They look good out here. People are loading up. They're getting everybody in. Check him out. Check him out. right, guys, we are about to head inside here in just a few minutes. Gosh, man, those lowriders look so good behind me, don't they, guys? You have to get in the comments and let me know which is your favorite one. And if you haven't hit that subscribe button yet, get down there, press that button. I think it's over here, maybe down here on this side, I think. But get in there, press that button so that way you don't miss anything, guys. We're getting ready to go inside and we're going to check out what's in here. I'm not sure if my crew is here yet, but I'm pretty sure Chuck and Blaze are here. Chuck may not be, but I know Blaze is, so we're going to check him out and see if Josh Turner's set up yet, guys. If you don't, we got to get that thing on. That is awesome. All right, guys, we will see you in just a few minutes. Keep on trapping. We're getting ready to walk in up here. Dedication, Andrea said that they are having them go downstairs. How are you? Dedication's coming in downstairs, is that correct?
That's the lowrider guys?
Yep. Yep, they're coming in. So I just go out here and then down the stairs?
Straight out there, and then you'll be able to look down, go down the stairs, and you'll see them coming in the doors on that side.
Okay, cool, thank you. But all right, guys, we're inside here. Man, ooh, here he comes right here. Yeah. Hit the switches for us, Dre.
Huh?
Hit them for us, man. Yeah. There's Riley O'Brien. How are you, man? Real good. Ooh, check him out rolling in here. Lido here.
Boy, it's good to see you, bud.
Yeah, it's good to see you too, man.
Good car, man. See you later, man.
All right, guys. See you later. Take care. Looking good, Dre. Looking good. How you like being down here?
I don't know. I'm iffy. It's first time, my second time here, first time down here in the lower end. It's not too bad.
Yeah, it's got a lot of light, that's for sure.
Yeah, definitely.
Definitely makes the paint pop. You
Yeah.
know, use it to your advantage, that's for sure.
Definitely gonna try to, for sure.
Absolutely. Vito, he brought this Mercury. What did he say? It's a 47 Mercury?
47, I believe.
Yeah, man, that thing is nice too. And I love that truck is sitting back there. The golds on that thing look so nice,
yeah,
dude. They
definitely.
do. Heck
It's a
yeah.
53 GMC.
Yeah, is it a 53? I thought 53 or 54, yep. Yeah. Dude, that thing runs so good.
Yeah.
It does. It's smooth,
I
clean running.
haven't been in it yet.
Oh, it looks nice inside, man. We got a glimpse of it.
Oh, yeah.
And I like the hair on the dash, man. That's a new addition over the winter, isn't it?
Yeah, well, we got it over the end of last season.
Yeah, was it at the end of last season?
Yep.
I love it, man. Can I touch it one time?
Go ahead.
I want to touch it, dude. I can't resist that. I have the urge to want to. Ooh, man. It is. It's soft. It feels how it looks. It definitely does there. Now I've been satisfied with the urge.
Yeah, we have new wheels coming in.
Ooh, yeah. Yeah, so what'd you go with?
We're going with 14x7 all-go center knockoffs
Yeah.
with the gangster white walls. Taking the 15-inch sub out of here, putting 212s in.
Nice, nice.
Full LEDs going in there.
Heck yeah.
And then pulling the deck out and putting a touchscreen.
Ooh, heck
like a
yeah.
Tesla screen. So we
Yeah.
have a few upgrades before the actual lowrider season starts.
Nice, nice.
These shows right here, we're just a class of our own, but at lowriders, we're in a whole class.
Yeah, definitely. And you're going to Chicago this summer, right?
July 16th for the original Lowrider Magazine show at the Stevens Center, and then again for September 2nd for the Motor Trend Lowrider Super Show as well.
Yeah.
We also have the Navy Pier Slow and Low in Chicago. Des Moines, Iowa, September 16th is coming up. And I believe that's it for the indoor shows, and the rest will be all picnics and just cruise around having fun.
Yeah, the big shows keep us up to date, man. I want to
Yeah,
go.
definitely,
We'll be at World Wheels tomorrow in Indianapolis.
Yeah, I got
Yep.
friends there. So I have my friends from Family Things Car Club, Life's Low's there. So I definitely have a lot of friends there
Nice.
at World of Wheels in Indianapolis.
All right, brother. I'll let you get that if you need to.
Yeah,
All right.
definitely. I'm gonna get this thing cleaned up, and then we'll do another shot after it's cleaned
Definitely
up.
so. I'm going to get a peek around, man. It's good seeing you. Thanks
Yeah,
for having us
definitely,
along, man.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
Ooh, yeah. Man, that truck sounds good, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does.
I like it. I cruise that every day, and the tent set it off, man. Ooh, yeah, it smells good too. Yeah. Lido, you looking good this weekend, brother. Check them out, man. So we're gonna get them set up, and we're gonna have a peek around. What is up, man?
Getting there. We're definitely getting there. One piece at a time.
Man, a lot of cleaning, isn't it?
A lot of cleaning.
A lot of
It
cleaning.
takes a couple hours to clean this car.
A lot of nice cars here, man.
A lot of nice cars. How to look upstairs?
Man, not as nice as this.
We'll see. We'll see how what the weekend brings.
As long as you don't have to worry about some mini truck beating you for best lowrider, you'd be good. Maybe they got the classes straightened out this
I
year.
think you sold that one already.
Yeah, he did. He traded for that bike.
Yeah, for the hypercar.
Yeah. So hopefully they do you a little better this year.
We'll see.
They don't let mini trucks in the lowrider class. Maybe they did a little research. Man, hopefully they do him good. Check him out, man. They're getting the polish to him, getting him done up right. Shit, he looked clean when he rolled in. Now they're just getting him cleaner.
Now it's just a fine tuning.
Man, it smells like wax over here.
Oh yeah.
Damn, check him out. He's got the pumps in there, guys. You see him?
This is what makes all the magic happen right here.
Yeah. At least they gave you a lot of good light.
Yeah. I'm hoping it's a sunny weekend.
Yeah, they want to show that top off.
Yeah. I'm gonna slam the car down for show.
Yeah.
Once we get it all set up, it'll be sitting on the ground.
Right.
So hopefully all her fans come out and show her some love.
Yeah, you know they will. They'll be out here,
Definitely
man.
on social media, they're saying they're coming out.
For real, for real.
She's definitely gained a lot of recognition in the past 3 years from when we first purchased her to where we're at right now. She's came a long way.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Suspension, paint, sounds, LEDs, motor.
Yep. If you go back and watch through the videos, you can see the transition through the videos, man, over the last few years.
Yeah, definitely.
For real.
Definitely, man. And that's the beauty about all these cars, and I'm sure every single one of these cars have transformed in some way throughout the years. I mean, some of these guys have owned these cars for 20 years, or since they bought them in high school. They still have them to this day.
Some of them stock as hell, though.
True. There are a lot of stock vehicles, and that's their flavor. That's what they like.
Yeah.
I'm a lowrider. We go all the way out.
Yeah.
We modify everything down to the windshield wipers.
Yeah.
We don't care. We keep it going.
You have the etching in there.
I will eventually.
Yeah. Hell yeah. Man, so many nice cars out here. Check them out. Lito's sitting here in the Mercury once again. You see him, you see him. You got the truck over here. There they are, guys. That's what it is. That's what we're doing, guys. We are out here, Century Center, South Bend, Indiana. If you're local, make sure you get out here, come out, see them, and have a good time. And make sure you catch us tomorrow. We will be in Indianapolis, Indiana, at the World of Wheels. So make sure you check that out, guys. Definitely don't miss out on that, guys. You definitely don't want to miss that. But that's what it is. That's what we're doing. Look at this. Freaking awesome, guys. We'll see you in the next one. Keep on trapping.
We stand out like bird shit on a black shoe.